Okay, so now I want to show you another cool way you can import products to your store, and it's through our hot products database. You just go through product sourcing and click on hot products. Okay. This is the section with the hottest winning products, and it's for people that don't have time to research them themselves, edit, polish their listings. It's basically all done for you, okay? All you have to do is import to your store just by clicking add to import list, okay? The button that you see here, okay? And they will be added to your import list, okay? So we try to give you the absolute best hot selling products in several different niches that you can publish on your stores and sell right away. Okay, and by the way, we are still working on this section. Okay, so more and more products will be added right here. Okay, but like I said, these products have all the listings, titles, descriptions, features all fixed up already. We have done all the hard work for you, so you just have to import and publish right away. Okay, so you just pick your favorite niche category. Okay, you can also search here at the top for a specific niche. Okay. And by the way, these products come with a ton of different information that you can spy on, guys. Okay, for example, let's find some product here. Okay, what is this one? Okay, I want to show you something. Okay, let's try. Okay, this one is actually pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this, and you can see here all the info about your product, okay, this product particularly, and then on the right you can see two buttons, okay, import, okay, and publish to channels. Okay, so import basically is for importing directly to your Dropshiply store. You don't have to do anything. And publish to channels, okay, is for those that have a Shopify or a WordPress WooCommerce store connected inside Dropshiply. Okay. Then also you can see a ton of information like profits, Facebook ads, targeting, and various links. Okay, you can find all this information below, but also here the cost price, the selling price, and the profit margins you can make. Okay, and if you scroll down once again, you can see more details. Okay, like for example the profits, profit margin, CPA, cost per action, the net that you can make, the links. Okay, the AliExpress supplier. Okay, the link on AliExpress, the Amazon link, the Facebook ad, information about the Facebook ad, and then the store that is currently selling this product. You can spy on that, and video ad information. Okay, information about the video ad currently running on Facebook. Okay. And like I said, it's there's a ton of different things here. For example, Facebook ads. Okay, you can see the exact ad that is currently running. It's gonna give you a ton of information. Like for example, the stats, like how are they targeting this product exactly to who? Okay, like for example, the country is USA, gender male, the age range 1855, 720,000, the audience size. Okay, which is pretty good. Okay, and then the copy. You could actually swipe this ad copy, and then also the targeting. I mean, is we are giving you guys the interest that you can target on Facebook, like bodybuilding, weight training, and men's fitness. Okay, we can literally spy on anything. Okay, and currently we have a catalog of hundreds different products. Okay, so like for example, this is just one product, but we're gonna add more and more in the future. Okay, and like I said, guys, look at this. I mean, ton of different products that you can actually sell. Okay, this is a special service, like I told you guys, that we run for you. Actually, we research only the best products. We give you all the information about them. We edit, polish the listings for you, and it works with credits. Okay, so depending on how many credits you purchase, you will see them displayed right here at the top. Okay, so this is your credits. Okay, and depending on how many credits, like, okay, if you click on credit, you can see your total credits right here. Okay, everything you can see, like the subscribe packages, all the products that you have imported so far. And if you need more credits, you can just buy one of our packages here below. Okay, we are still editing and fixing this page. Okay, so don't mind these packages right here. We're gonna update them, but also here, if you want to buy like more credits, more packages, you can just buy one of these ones right here. Okay, and we have several different packages. Okay, depending on how many products you want to import to your store. These are ready made. Okay, so you can buy 70, 200, 500, and 1,000. Okay, plus we're gonna also give you some bonus credits with your packages. Okay, so for example, depending on what you purchase. Okay, so they are super cheap, and obviously 1 credit equals 1 product. Okay, so you import 5 products, let's say 5 credits will be deducted and your balance is going to be automatically updated here at the top. Okay, so currently I have 0, but no, actually I have 200 credits, okay, because I still haven't imported. This is just a test store, but yeah, you will see your credits right here. Okay, so you can check all your credit deductions right here. Okay, this will be the main dashboard for that. Okay, so with a hot products database, you'll be able to import hot selling products to your store that already have the AliExpress listings all edited and fixed up. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let's move on to the next one.